Stop cooking your protein with your yam porridge. Let me show you this recipe. You surely love it. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. Happy weekend to you all. In today's video, I'm going to cook with you guys yam and plantain porridge. So sit back and enjoy. First of all, I'll make sure that I cut my yam. This yam is being stubborn. It's so strong, so I have to use all my woman power to cut it. So I'll go on and cut my yam into pieces. The next step is for me to peel the back of my yam. Then I'll go on and peel my plantain. Yeah, so I'm going to use 3 plantain. So I'll peel the back, then I'll cut it into pieces. If you haven't liked this video, please now, I beg you, like it, and you can still help me to share it too. Thank you. So I'll set this aside. I will just go to my tap and wash only my yam. So I'm trying to blend my pepper here. I use habanero pepper, bell pepper, and onions. So I'll take my pan or pot. I'll add my palm oil, which is a red oil. So I'm going to add my onions. Then I'll let it fry in a low heat. There are 3 ways I know to prepare this yam porridge. Out of the 3 ways, I love this recipe so much. You can choose to boil your yam first, then you add your pepper, your palm oil. But I love making it this way. I love to fry my onions with my palm oil, then I'll add my blended pepper. I'll let this still fry first for about 15 minutes, then I'll add my water, then I'll cover it again to cook for about 10 minutes. Then I can add my yam. So after 10 minutes, I'll come back to add my plantain. What about me is that I don't like adding crayfish whenever I'm cooking yam. I don't like it at all. So instead of me adding crayfish, I will surely add a little bit of salt and sugar. So yeah, then I'll continue turning it and let it cook. So I'll add my vegetable. I don't have the fresh one, so I use the one in my freezer. If you have fresh one, just put it. You're going to enjoy it. If you want to enjoy your food, don't cook it in a very high low heat. Cook them in a very low heat, unless you are preparing something that needs too much flame. Yeah. Then lower your gas and let everything cook. Let me give you a tip. If you want to enjoy your yam porridge, don't put your protein inside, either fish or meat. You have to fry it aside, or you parboil it, then you make a stew with it. I'll surely show you guys how I made mine or how I cooked mine. So I first cut my fish. I used 1 fish because it's what we want to enjoy faster. This is my vegetable oil. I'm going to fry my fish. I first of all parboil this fish, then I'll fry it in a very low heat. You guys can see that the groundnut oil is not that hot. So I'm trying to fry it in a very low heat. Then I don't want it to dry, just fry it. Yeah. After cooking it in a very low heat, you guys can tell as the oil is frying. You can see that the fire is not too much, or the flame. So I'll surely take out my protein, then I'll go on and add my onions. I can't do without onions in stew. Yeah, so I'll added my sliced onions. I'll let it fry a little bit. I don't want it to fry too much. So yeah, after that, I first of all reduce some pepper from the one we used to cook our porridge. Then I'll use the remaining one. You guys can see that just a little bit of stew. So I'll surely fry this in a low heat. Then I'll add my seasoning, my Maggi, my garlic powder, my black pepper, anything of your choice at all. Yeah, so I'll let this fry in a very low heat. Then I'll put my protein. Try this and let me know if you did not enjoy it. If you try this, I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy it. Your house is going to enjoy it, because I've tried it sometime. Like, I'll cook my protein with my porridge, and don't give me that taste that I need, and this is the outcome. Yeah, thank you so much for coming once again, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.